Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Kerpez here with Princess Fluff, my Maine Coon cat. And this is the third of 5 videos that I want to share with you to help guide and teach you how to use our school's library catalog called Destiny Library Catalog. So today what we're going to focus on is a different area that you can search called Destiny Quest. So let's get started. When you first come to the computer lab and sit down at one of the PCs, personal computers, you can go to the bottom tray here and click on Google Chrome, that multicolored donut. Okay, that will open up to the Old Farmers Road School Library catalog page. This is the home page that we're on now, and you need to click Catalog. Okay, and our first video that I made dealt with searching, doing a basic search here with the find box and typing in keywords. The second video I made had to do with the visual search. And today we're focusing on what's called Destiny Quest. It's over here, the link to open the page. Okay, Destiny Quest. And this is in the left side navigation bar. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, and this looks like a more appealing screen to search on, doesn't it, boys and girls? Most kids like to use this screen rather than the other one, and I can see why. And let's just start by looking at the background here. It's a nice, pretty background, but you can also change the background of this page when you search. Right up here, there's a paintbrush. You can click on that. Okay, and there's an Ocean Odyssey, Molten Metal, Spaced, and so on. Let's try Ocean Odyssey. I kind of like oceans. Okay, so we're going to leave our background as an ocean screen. Okay, so just like our basic search page on Destiny Quest, there's still a find box, and you still need to enter your search here, typing in keywords. Okay, whether it be the book title, an author, a keyword, okay, or a subject. All right. So also, what else is on this page? The top 10 most popular books in the library. Let's take a look at that. Okay. First being a magazine, because magazines are being checked out a lot. Second, no surprise, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Third is Dan Gutman's My Weird School series. We'll see a lot of those because the author will be coming in shortly. Ms. Hannah's Bananas. Okay, and so on. Coach Hyatt is a Riot. Most of these books are Dan Gutman, My Weird School series. Okay, that are the top 10 books that are getting checked out. Also in the middle here, we have a resource list. So as you browse through here, you can actually click on titles and drag them and drop them into your list. And then later, you can print this list here. Okay, and if you did this at home, you could bring in the list of books that you're interested in checking out. Our third column here says new arrivals. And these are the top newest top 15 books that just got barcoded in the library. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, zombie book. You can open this. Wolf in the Snow. What Was the Titanic, and so on. Okay. All right. So let's do a search, and let's type in Titanic in the search box. And you can see, very helpful as I start to type in the word Titanic. It helps me by showing me, did you want Titanic, in which we have 40 results. And yes, that's what I wanted. So I will just click on that. And then I don't have to finish typing and possibly make a spelling error. Okay. So we can take a look through here. This is very easy to read. What you will see first is a record. Okay. And it tells you right away up here in the corner if the book is available or not. This book is checked out, called The Titanic by Deborah Kent. However, this one is in by Mary Pope Osborne. Okay, so look up in the corner as you browse. All right, and over here, you can also narrow your search by author, subject, genre, and so on, interest level, reading level. All right, you can check those out. Let's click on one of these titles. Let's click on, we'll click on Mary Pope Osborne's here. Okay, so let's check this one out. We'll click on it, and you'll see that we get a full record now. Okay, it says that we have 2 copies of this book that are available in the library. It is a nonfiction expository companion book to Tonight on the Titanic, written by Mary Pope Osborne. And it gives you the blurb, what the book is about, right here. Presents the history of the steamship Titanic. Okay. Down here, it will list the format, which is the number of pages of the book, 135, who published it, Random House. And important for you, the target audience, the reading level, okay, is 5.6, okay, but the interest level is grade 3 to 6, okay. Also, you could click on awards to see if there's any awards for this book or reviews. Okay, also, Destiny Quest will suggest to you other books that you may also like if you like the Titanic. That would be The Leprechauns and Irish Folklore, American Revolution. These are other books actually written by the same author. You can see they're not on the same topic, but by the same author. Okay, if you wanted to check this book out, because we found out it is in, with your call slip, you would write down, oops, let's get out of that for a minute. You would write down, okay, the call number, which is 910 OSB, first 3 letters of the author's last name, okay, along with the title is helpful too, of course. All right, let's click on something underneath the call number called Shelf Browse. It's right here. Okay, Shelf Browse, we're gonna click this. And this is interesting because this is almost like a virtual library that you are walking through. It's as if you're walking through the old Farmers Road School Library and browsing the shelf, because down here, there's a little scroll bar, okay? And you can see which books are on the shelf and that live next to each other, okay? The Titanic books are here. Other shipwreck books are located in this area, books on oceans, and so on. But you could just browse here for books and similar subjects related, okay? And that would be, I can see the call number is the 900 section of the library where history books are located, okay? And you can also click next, which would take you to the shelf next to that. I see some pirate books and GPS books and so on. To exit this, you need to X out up here. I'm going to click that now. If you were interested in checking out this Titanic book, remember I said you could put it in a list. Right here it says add to this list. So when you do that, you get a little smiley face that says it's in your list. Okay, we're going to click out of this. And let's take a look here. Let's also look at, remember our subject is Titanic, which reminds us right here, at websites related to Titanic. Okay, and that is located right here. Okay, and it says that there are 253 websites related to the Titanic. You'll want to go over here if you want to look on the web and read more about the Titanic or do research on the Titanic, where it says narrow your search. You'll definitely want to narrow your search. Grade level will be very important. So let's click that. Excuse me. And let's click on grade 3 to 5. You can also narrow your search by domain. Okay, so let's just do .orgs. And it tells us how many .org, which is organization and not-for-profit, which might have less ads. There are 31 websites. Okay, so we can click on that. And format type, we're going to just leave that for now, but you could do biography, interactive, and then there's source type. Okay, news encyclopedia, and topic. Okay, Atlantic Ocean, and so on. Okay, so we're going to leave this the way it is, and these are the 31 websites that are on the grade level of grades 3 to 5. Now we're only seeing up here at the top 1 of 10 of 31. You'll notice there is a next button over here. Okay, all right, so we could click on one of these. Let's take a look here at the next button. Okay. All right, let's go back. I can see that these websites later on are going a little bit off topic of the Titanic. So your best results may be found on the first page since we narrowed this so much. So let's look at this Lost Liners website. And right away, I can see at the top here, this website was designed by PBS, Public Broadcasting Station. Okay, so it's a reliable, authoritative website. And you could read the information here on the Titanic. All right, and use this as a resource source if you were doing research. Okay, as an internet source. Okay, to exit the website, it opened a new page. Okay, so we're going to X out of this tab that opened up here at the top, right here, to go back to Destiny Quest. All right, let's go back now. Let's say we were done with our search, and we're going to go back to Quest Home. That's up here at the top. Okay, and let's just take a look at your resource list. And there is the book that you added. Okay, we could have also added the website. However, we didn't do that, but we could have. Okay, take a look here again at your list. So you could put all your resources together here and print this down here. It says print options. Okay, you could print this out, and then you wouldn't forget what websites you used for your research and books that you used in the library. Okay, I'm going to close out of this now. And I just want to show you one other thing, and that's that you should exit the catalog over here at the top where it says exit. Okay, right next to the paintbrush where you changed your background. I'm going to click that now. Okay, and that takes us back to this page, and you could always go back to the home page of the library catalog. Okay, all right, so we're going to leave off there for today. I hope this information on how to use Destiny Quest, searching in there for both books and websites, was helpful to you. Next time you come in the library, please sit down at the PC, open up Destiny Library Catalog, and practice searching in Destiny Quest. It's a lot of fun, and I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, see you soon, boys and girls. Happy reading.